Hello and welcome to our video blog. God, video blog. And our guest again is Daisy Lenora. And we're taking a rest after a heavy traffic in the highway of Cavite. And I'm here to update you all on the latest huh, on the latest events coming your way for this week. Kita ba yung pwesto? Sige, maganda dun eh. Okay, on April 12, I'll be in the Canon event in Enterprise Center in Ayala with my new sidekick, Victor Velasco. And then on April 13, we will be having our apa tawag doon? Yung master graduation. And then after that, April 14, there's an event in Bonifacio Plaza, the event of Sujiro, the Jade's Lunch Trip ito. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go there kasi malayo. And also, on April 14, the iBlog Summit, third Philippine Blog Summit will be held in UP Diliman. You can check out my blog for the details. And also, we will be attending the car show in Island Cove, and Miss Lenora will be there as one of the trophy girls. She'll be wearing a golden bikini. She will be presenting the award to the best dress shoe in the joke lang yun. Also, thank you for viewing and reading our blog, and sana support lang yung mga napikon sa aming April Fool's Day gimmick. I know many of you are pissed off by that news, and don't worry, we have still our baby, si Pulot, and he's happy looking for palaka outside the garden. And also we love watching FTV yan, di ba? And kanina may palabas na sa HBO. I don't know what's the title, parang Flight 52 yata yung airplane na magka-crash. Tapos, meron pala akong grad pic, post ko later sa vlog ko. Check nyo na lang. I'm using the high-tech phone of N93. Binili ng kapatid ni Lay. N93 to. Dito N70. Mas maganda pala yung N93 sa N70. We are using the video. Sige, pag tumayo ka. Okay, so that's all, folks. If you have any questions, this is our rare video blog for today. And we're signing off.